Hi all my YouTube friends. How are you guys today? My name's TeresaLouise and thanks for stopping by. Today I got my soul sampler in the mail. Yay! And yeah, I got it one day early. I thought I would get it tomorrow on Saturday, but today's Friday and here it is. Okay, I know you're saying, I thought you were going to cancel that box. Well, here's the thing. I went back and reviewed my year in review of the Soul Sampler. If you haven't watched that video, you should go check it out. And you may recall that average for a year, average every month for 12 months is $60. So, of value. $60 of value. And I'm just not able to find another subscription that, where I can get that much value. So I decided just to go ahead and keep it for now, and, we'll see what happens down the road. All right, let's get this baby open. I haven't opened it yet. I want to see what is in here. Hopefully I'll be pleasantly surprised. Rise and shine. Ooh, it's chickens. I love chickens. Yay. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm peeking. Let's see. From Farm Fresh Savings. Save 30% off of It's So Emma Foundation Paper Piecing Pads. Cool. Now I know I said I don't really care for paper piecing, but I don't think they'd be too bad for like the pineapple block. And I do have a pack of those already, so maybe I'll get another pack. Well, cool. I like that savings. And it is good until October 20th. Awesome. Okay, here's the little book that comes in it. They always send you this. It gives you a little more information and also tells you what the value is. Oh wow, what is this? Oops, I gotta turn you just a little bit more. I don't want you to, now don't go back and look. I don't want you to see that project behind me. Dang it. Oh well. Okay, what is this? A rotary cutting mat. Exclusive fat quarter shop. Oh, and it's a little spinning mat. 6.5-inch square. Wow, cool. Now that is something I could use. Oh, wow. I can see the fabric. I think I'm gonna like it. Oh, wow, look at that. I could have used that the other day. Cool. Very nice. I'm just going to set it down here and let's take a look. It's a little tight, but maybe it'll smooth out. Well, that's just really cute. Great. I like that. Ooh, and here's the fabric. Oh, look, we got 2 charm packs. Awesome. Backyard blooms. Cool. We'll take a look at those in just a minute. Oh, the mat was $14.98, and we got some hand sewing needles. Nice small ones. I wonder if these are for quilting betweens, it says. They're short needles with round eyes for quilting and detailed work. Okay, I'll bring that back up. Sorry about the glare. Boy, some of those are pretty teeny. I don't even know if I could get a grip on those. But, thank you. I like that. I like getting needles. Oh, look, we got a pack. Oh, what was the needles? $1.48. We got a pack of 5x5 squares. They're papers, crazy quilt paper. Oh, I think these are the Riley Blake. Are these from Lori Holt? Be in My Bonnet. Yeah, Lori Holt. 42 pieces. Now, I have to say I'm glad I got these because I'm starting to go through my scraps and I could use that. Cool. Okay, and those were $4.48. Nice. This is a nice box. I'm so glad now that I didn't cancel this. Oh, look at this cute pattern. Really cute. And they gave us a couple of different pattern or quilt sizes. With the 2 charm packs, the quilt would be 45.5 by 45.5. But if you wanted to do the twin size, then you would need to get 3 more charm packs. And then that quilt would be 63.5 by 81.5. Well, that's really, I'm glad they are doing that on this pattern, because I always like to enlarge them for sure. And I do like the Fat Quarter Shop's patterns. They're on a nice little book and they're very well laid out, easy to follow. And then we got our block. Oh, that is really cute. That is a really cute block. Let's see, I think I can show you on here. Yeah. And that's $4.98. And the charm packs, $19.96, so 20 bucks. So 20, 30, 35, 40, 50, 55, 55, 56 and a half. $56.50. Well, I just feel like this box seems like it has more value than that. Anyway, let's take a look at, I really do like this box this month. This is great. I love that I get stuff that I can actually use. And I know I don't always like the fabric, but for some reason I do like getting the 2 charm packs. Got something on me. All right. Let's see if I can bring you down here. And I'm just going to take that off. I can put it back together. I know how. That's a pretty one. Bring it back out here a little bit. That's not going to help. Okay, here we go. Ooh, nice dark blue. Same pattern on a light blue. I like that color. And there's the chickens. I love chickens. Get 3 of those, 4 of those. And a blue with words. Get 2 of those. And then this one, same pattern on this light blue. You get 2 of those. And on a white background, you get 2 of those. And you have 2 of those. And 2 of these. 2 of those. This would make a really cute picnic quilt. Dark, rich colors. These are by Allison Harris. Allison Harris. Backyard Blooms. That's cute. And there was 2 of those. Did I tell you there was 2 of these? And 2 of these. And this is Wyndham Fabric. Now this one I really, oh, I wish they would have given us 2 of those. I like that one. That's pretty. So 1 of those, 1 of these, 2 of these. It's cute. 2 of these. 2 of those. And these are also 2. And 2 of these. There. So, there you go. That's what that was. What did you guys think? Did you like this box? Keep showing you that over there. I'm going to do a video on that, so I don't want you to see it yet. All right. I like the box. Good job, Back Quarter Shop. Thanks so much, and can't wait to see you next month. And you guys let me know what you thought of this box down in the comments. Okay? And also, how about a thumbs up, and be sure and subscribe and share the video if you'd like. And so until next time, you guys get out there and make something. Have a great day. Bye for now.